Connecting Binance Futures to MetaTrader 5, as provided by the experienced TradingFinder team. Traders can easily download the Expert Advisor file for MetaTrader 5 from this section, and they can also read through this page to learn more about how the service works, as well as its various features and benefits. From the Navigator section, we run the Expert Advisor file. Before running the Expert Advisor file, go to the Tools tab, then to Options, and open the Expert Advisors tab. At the bottom section, enable the Allow Web Request option. Here, you need to enter the URL link related to the BingX exchange, which you can copy from the website. Paste it in this section, and then click the Confirm button. After that, we run the Expert, and by running the Expert, we can see the data reception message in the Expert section. Here it shows that 482 pairs have been identified and listed for us. From the Market Watch section, I right-clicked and entered the symbol section. From the Custom section, we go into the BingX Future folder, where you can clearly see the list of 482 available trading pairs and select your desired currency from the options. For example, in this section, I specifically select a currency. Here I chose the digital currency DOG USDT, and after that I open the chart related to this currency. At the bottom section, you can see the message indicating that the data has been fed, showing that 999 candles for the DOG USDT digital currency have been received from the BingX exchange, and the candles are displayed for us. This service transfers the coins and pairs available on the BingX exchange to MetaTrader 5, allowing us to conduct our analyses on this platform. However, the ability to trade on this platform is currently not available to us, and we can only perform our technical analysis here. In the Settings section, under Inputs, there are options available for us. Here, in the first part, we can specify the number of candles that are fetched from the BingX exchange and displayed for us. This can be set from 300 candles up to 10,000 candles. The next section is for when we want to open 2 or more charts of the same symbol and want them to have an equal number of candles. For example, we have a symbol and we open several charts for it. If this option is set to true, each chart will have 1,000 candles. However, if this option is set to false, the chart with the higher time frame will, in this particular case, take the candles from the chart with the lower time frame and then construct and generate its own candles accordingly. For better understanding, I'll open another chart for the same symbol, which will display the second chart with a plus sign, and you can view its data in the lower section for your reference. In this situation, both charts can actually be switched between different time frames, so we can very easily move between various time intervals and conduct our analysis on the chart. Just keep in mind that due to the rate limit set by the exchange, the data might sometimes be displayed to you with a slight delay, so please be patient. If we want to open a third chart for the same symbol, we need to open our third chart on the second chart. That is, by right-clicking on the second chart and selecting the chart window option. The third chart will also be displayed with the ++ symbol and will be added for us. In the event that I specifically set the second option to false and then proceed to run the second chart on the first chart as described earlier, essentially, the second chart will receive its data from the first chart, and in this process, it will construct its candles based on the first chart. So that if I switch to the 4-hour time frame, there are 999 candles on the first chart, but on the second chart, even though it should also have 999 candles in the 4-hour time frame, the number of candles it displays for us is 250, and these 4-hour time frame candles are carefully constructed based on the 1-hour candles from the first chart, and then shown to us, as you can see. Be sure to pay attention to this point. Our first chart is the reference chart, and if it is set to the 1-hour time frame, the second chart cannot switch to time frames lower than the first chart. For example, if I switch to the 15-minute time frame, it does not display the correct data for me. This expert advisor receives real-time futures market data through the official BingX Exchange API and displays it for us in the form of a price chart. Every tick that occurs on the exchange is captured based on its high, low, open, and close data, and candlestick formation is carried out accordingly, in such a way that with every tick the prices are updated within the platform and a new candlestick is created. Well friends, we've reached the end of this service tutorial. We would truly appreciate it, and I would be genuinely delighted if you could kindly take a moment to share your valuable comments, thoughts, and suggestions with us right below in the comments section.